Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Google Sheets tutorial how to expand columns. To expand column, you can drag the lines, like I will click in this line, you can click hold and then you can drag to expand the column. You also can expand by rows by clicking at these lines and then move to the bottom here. The other option I will set the names, like I will set into Mufasuket, and you also can make a fit into this text by double clicking in the line, also in the row. And for the other option, you also can right click like in this day column, right click and then can choose the rise column, size column. So I will set like it to 150 and can press OK to apply. Okay, that's it for a basic Google Sheet tutorial, how to expand columns. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.